Hi folks, this is Rich Moyer. I'm going to give you a real quick demo of how to create a quickie capture page for Free Business Builder. It is a safe list, one of Dave Mosher's safe lists. And here is the site. So I just want to show you what the site is here. This is what it looks like. This is freebusinessbuilder.com, and I'll give you the links for it so you can join it. You can join it for free. What I want to do here is create a capture page, and I found some. And the reason I want to do this is I want to show you some of the neat stuff I found here. Now, understand, I'm going to Member Tools here. Member Tools, Referral Tools. And I'm an admin of this site. I approve the ads on this site. But as I go down through here, you see the usual banners, buttons, and login ads. But look what I found down here. This is a really cool graphic that I found in the referral tools area. And it's this one says, okay, you can do this at Free Business Builder. That one's specific to Free Business Builder. Here's another one. Look at this one. This is said, don't waste your time. Ignore fake income claims, blah, blah. Start button. And down here, there's, sick of getting zero results from your online business. Okay. Down here, business slow. That's a 468 banner. Down here is another one with I like this one actually. This is one I'm probably going to use for the capture page I'm going to make. So these are free things, and down here these are specific to the site. But it's just cool that you can actually have somebody free spin the wheel to get free solos, and it's all part of the login. You don't have to do anything special there. It's part of the login. You're going to get free ads just for joining. So these are actually great graphics if you're going to build a page. But I'm going to use this one, this business slow graphic here to make a capture page. Well, first thing I'm going to do is go into my Pro Member Tools here at Build-A-Biz Online, and I'm going to go down here to. I'm just going to use the standard splash page builder. I have the ability to go in and build a template here, but I'm just going to go to splash page builder. So splash pages. I'm going to go in here, and all the way down the bottom of the page. I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to call it, let me see if I can get my Free Business Builder. Okay, and I'm going to make a splash page. Go over here and click it to create a template. Now I'm going to use a blank template because I'm adding my own graphics in here and update the template. And so now at the bottom of the page, it says click here to edit your splash page. Okay. Now here I'm going to put that. You see, it's the moldy clipboard I'm using here, guys. This is one of those shortcuts I've been putting in my newsletter. I love this thing. I use it all the time. All right, so I'm going to come into my Build-A-Biz online capture page editor, and I'm going to just put this graphic in here as an object. All right, so let's just start here and as normal. I'm going to make it centered, and I'm going to click this. I'm sorry, wrong button. Click this graphic right here, which is it's an image editor. So I'm going to go over here and grab this image. Now I'm going to actually use use this. Just the image. I'm not going to use the redirect on that because I don't want it to. I don't want it. I don't want somebody. Oops, what happened here? I don't want somebody to click this and take them to the site without capturing their information. So again, I'm going to use this one's a good one too. I'm going to take this one, and this is a login ad. So I'm going to grab this information right here. Here's the banner. My goodness, I can't get this thing from jumping around here today. Sorry, it does this occasionally when I'm recording video. It doesn't like me that much sometimes. So I'm going to grab this URL and bring it over here. And in BuildABiz Online, I'm just going to enter that without a link. I don't want a link in there. All right, so let's see what the width is on this. So it's going to be 600 by 300, exactly what I want. Okay, and I'm going to come down here and just after that, I'm going to paste in my HTML code. Now I got to go into source code mode here. So I'm going to be all the way down here and use this source code that I have for my HTML code for my autoresponder. And that's a whole process that I'm not going to cover here. But I'm going to just add that, let's see. And see how that comes out. And I'm going to give this a little more my traffic deals newsletter. More information, and I'm going to censor that. Tell them about that. Then I'm say you must verify your email. Check your email or spam folder, and you will be redirected to all right, now I'm going to increase my font here because this is pretty tiny. So I'll make that like a 20 on Arial. Okay, there we are. We have our page, and all I really need to do now is save it. And let's see what happened here. Go and display my page. And this is the page it's going to display for people. Now I can do a whole bunch of stuff like put a banner around, put a border around here. I can put icons in the background or anything at all. But I just wanted to show you a quick way to create a page that is going to capture my lead. And I have to do one more thing over here. Let's go in and again go into the source code, and I have to find form or input. Okay, so here's the join info. I need to put a piece of code in here that's going to redirect it. So, and at this point, that's where I'm going to put my there's my affiliate ID right there. Now my code is set. It might be different for your own safe list. And I'm just going to quickly do this. Let me quickly put a border on this. And take this and move it down to the bottom so I encase everything there. See what that does? It does things that I messed up. I'm sorry. I messed it up there. So let me just do this again. Inside here. There. That's exactly what I want to do. Just put the border there. And that's cool. If I wanted to, I could use one of these, one of the 125 graphics on here. You know, that's the one I want to use right now. I don't want to put anything else in there right now. So I can take one of these graphics up here and use them to create a little background image. And I'm going to use this one. So that's an elephant. I like elephants. So here, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put some more code right up here in the beginning. Paste that right here. Isn't that pretty cool? I did that in a second. And, you know, so, I mean, I could put an ad bar on here or anything I want. So this is just a really cool little capture page that took me no time at all. And I'm going to put my copyright on there, save it, and we're ready to go. So, I mean, if you want to see what it looks like, here's the finished product. Okay, it takes 5 minutes to use something as cool as this and create a capture page using Build-A-Biz Online. All right, so now to promote this, I just use this and I'm going to cloak it with, I'm going to cloak this ID, but this is what you promote. And when you promote this, you put it out there on a solo ad, you put a title, Don't Waste Your Time. It would be a great title. And then you create the body of the ad. You can just copy this, you know, ignore, just copy everything that's there, retype it, and then say click here and you click to this address. And that way you have a capture page. So you have your subject line, you have your ad copy, and you have your URL. Everything you need to submit a solo ad is right here, and that'll get you signups. Thanks a lot, Rich Moyer, and appreciate your time.